Hello and welcome back to the channel, Spirit of Adventure. Whilst we wait for Spirit to be fixed in the garage, we cycle into Aarhus to experience the sights, sounds and taste of this amazing place, before eventually ending up in Koksijn in Belgium to watch horse-drawn shrimp harvesting, a tradition that's been going on for over 500 years.
So we are much more relaxed now. We know what's happening with the van, as we said yesterday, and we know it's fixable, and we're going to be on our way in time to get the Channel Tunnel, which was the main concern, was the time frame of the problem, wasn't it?
Yep.
Rather than anything else.
Yeah, without doubt.
I mean, that's what credit cards are for, let's face it. So today we have hired a couple of Lime bikes and cycled in.
That's good, wasn't it?
That was lovely, wasn't it? Not been on a bike since ours was stolen. I really missed them.
Yeah.
We went to Stiller's. That was the aim of today. It was just to go to Stiller's. It's a lovely, lovely coffee shop. We've wandered around. We've been to the Kunst Hall Art Museum.
Yep.
And then something really, really weird happened. The sky went dark grey and it rained.
Yeah, there's 0% chance of rain, he said. And it was only a short burst, wasn't it? But down it came. Everybody went inside.
Including us.
Which
gave us an excuse to come to La Cabra and have another coffee. And we've just been very, very good. And we have only shared a cardamom bun.
Oh, it was lovely though.
It was very nice. It was the last one. There weren't two. So I think we're going to walk back if the weather looks like it's going to hold up.
It's along the coast and there's some gorgeous buildings to look at. And it's a nice coast, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Walking away out of the city and up north. So yeah, we'll do that.
Well, yes, definitely. Hey, we're back. We're on the road again. She's all fixed. She feels wonderful, doesn't she?
Smooth as silk.
So yeah, we're really happy. We're just going to go and find somewhere to park up this evening. We're probably... 500 metres at the roundabout. Continue straight to We are probably going to go to Veije. We've been there before. It's not a million miles away. We're both feeling the need for a shower, even though we've been in the sea for the last 3 days. But yeah, a shower will be nice. Peace and quiet, and just a bit of a, I know it sounds silly, but a bit of a rest, I think, now we've got Spirit back. And then we'll be heading homeward bound. So we'll see you in a bit.
I've arrived in the very modern part of Veije. Absolutely beautiful waterfront apartments and buildings around here. Really nice place. Up early in the morning, we're just going to go for a shower. The shower toilet blocks are in this building. It's absolutely beautiful. There's the Wave building over there. This part of town is just stunning. It really is. Lovely. Nice morning as well. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
We've been a bit remiss this last 24 hours since we picked Spirit up. I think we just needed to relax and unwind. I personally, I'd been really stressed about the timeline of getting home and getting Spirit fixed. I think Andy was just stressed about the noise and whether it was doing any more damage. So we just drove down to Veije, which is where we are now, after we'd picked her up from the garage, and this is where we are. We spent the night here.
Yeah.
This is the Wave, which is absolutely beautiful. It's an apartment block, and just over there, we'll show you later, is Fjorden House, which is another beautiful piece of architecture. We are parked about 10 minutes in that direction, the other side of the Wave, at it's loosely classed as the harbour, but we are actually stood on the harbour.
We are at the moment, yeah.
And you walk from where you park to get a parking ticket. Yes, a parking ticket from the harbour, from the restaurant area. There's a machine. So we did that yesterday. It takes you 5 minutes to get there, probably 2 minutes to work the machine, and then 5 minutes to get back. By the time we'd got back, they'd given us a 910 krona parking fine for not having the appropriate ticket, which we'd gone to the machine for.
Yeah. Luckily, there's times on both. So there's a time on the parking
Ticket that we
bought, and there's one on the naughty boy parking ticket. And the times were exactly the same, 14:06, wasn't it?
So we've emailed them, fingers crossed, they'll let us off.
And I spoke to one of the attendants as he came round, who'd never seen one of these tickets before that we had around the windscreen. There is another ticket machine that gives you just a normal paper ticket, and you put that in your windscreen. The ones we get, and have done twice when we've been here, are ones that you wrap around your windscreen wiper. So he took a photograph of that to show his boss because he'd never seen one before.
Yeah. Today's plan is to get south of Bremen, so we'll be tackling Hamburg and Bremen today. Should all be good fun on the motorways. But it's Saturday, so fingers crossed it might be a little bit quieter. Yes.
Hopefully not, anyway.
And then tomorrow, Sunday, we will tackle the dreaded Antwerp. Can't do all three in one day. You'd have a nervous breakdown. Anyway, come along.
Come on, let's go.
Just coming up to what we hope will be tonight's overnight. We've seen lots of signs for deer around here, so that should be nice if we see any. It's been a really busy rundown. Just outside of Kiel, Hamburg and Bremen, there were just roadworks and traffic jams, but generally speaking it's not been too bad, so we'll see what happens.
Meters, turn right.
In 400 metres.
You have arrived.
I had completely forgotten that it's at the end of a glider runway, and there is a glider.
It might be a winch vehicle.
And we're wondering if this red one here is the winch vehicle. Hopefully we might catch something exciting on video.
There it goes, it's up. And down comes the tether. Cool. It's down. Good morning. We have just set off from the Veije airfield and we're heading down into Belgium. We're in Germany at the moment. Heading down into Belgium to Koksijde, and we're going to be sleeping at another airfield. We want to go down there because they do horseback shrimp harvesting at Koksijde, which they've been doing for many years. Quite a traditional way of harvesting them, and we've never seen it. So we want to go and watch it early tomorrow morning. So that should be fun. But we've got about 5.5 hours driving to get down there, and we'll see what happens en route. Good morning. We are up early. It's just gone 6. Beautiful sunrise outside. We're having breakfast, of course, and then we're setting off to go and see the horseback shrimp farming. Should be quite cool.
I think it's going to be quite interesting. I'm sure it's going to bore half of you to tears.
So the guys we've come to see. And we're presuming they're going down that bit there. There's a ramp just next to us. It's there. It's quite a long way out, so we'll be walking along the beach to go and watch them. This is definitely where they come down. How long have we got left?
20 minutes.
Oh, cool. So 20 minutes, we're going to watch them, then we're going to go for a coffee, a place that wasn't open last time we were here, and then we're going in the sea for a swim, and then we're having a shower, and Kath's just spotted a beach shower, so that could be our saving a couple of euros. Assuming that these ladies collect them out of the nets once the horsemen have gathered them up, but we shall see. It's a long way out to the sea at the moment. So we are just following the ladies with the nets and the galoshes down to the sea. Still haven't seen the horses yet. Apparently at the height of summer they have to rope all of this off because it's such a spectator sport. There's hundreds and hundreds of people. They've got to keep them all under control so the horses can get down to the water and do what they need to do. There's not too many of us today. Luckily, we brought our beach shoes. Ladies are in the water already with the nets, and the horses. Where are they? There they are. They're on their way. Go. Out we go. See the nets in a second coming past. We have these paddles which I'm assuming separates the ends of the net. Out they go. How fantastic is that? Yeah, you can see the net spreading. Awesome.
Vicious, eh?
that's left to do now is them to collect all the shrimps and get them cooked. Right. That was brilliant.
Oh, that was just so much better than I thought it was going to be. We were in the water for about 30 minutes.
Yeah, at least.
And then they've come out, so they've packed, they've set everything up. They've gone in the water and then they've unpacked everything and they've let everybody watch it, and it's just been really, really good.
That's really interesting, yeah.
So yesterday, watching the Horseback Shrimp Trawlers was our last full day, and today we are heading back to the Channel Tunnel. As always, we hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please like, please comment,